Here at Simply Garden, with over 50 years of gardening experience, I believe in keeping things simple and productive while gardening in your own backyard. Well, good evening, everybody. Guess what? It's January. Actually, if I look at my calendar, remember I talked to you a couple of videos earlier about scheduling my calendar? It's the 20th, but the 19th, close enough. It's time to plant my lettuce for my early spring cold frame. Just to show you real quick here, we got the calendar pretty well all filled up for the year. Each month, I've refilled what takes place in those weeks, keep ourselves organized, and so I keep online and keep on track what needs to be done next. So right now we're going to go ahead and plant our lettuce seedlings, which are going to be an early, well, lettuce always comes early because it does well in the spring, it's cooler weather. We've got here a red curly type of lettuce, a roughly leaf, a salad bowl, and then a little gem like a kind of like a romaine lettuce, I believe that is. Anyways, the lettuce plants I try to do is I try to do a rotation of continual lettuce coming every couple of weeks throughout the summer, right into the fall. In fact, I just finished picking lettuce out of my cold frame. We're in southern New Hampshire, zone 5. And but with using the cold frame pot protections, it would extend that season pretty long into the season. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and start. Very simple. Throw some dirt in here, and I don't want to do a whole bunch of seeds at one time. I just want enough just to get myself going for the season. Because in a couple more weeks, according to my schedule here, we'll be planting more lettuce in a couple more weeks again. And one more here. There we go. There we go. So we're going to put a little handy little markers here so you can see what's going on, keep track of everything. I know some of you are regular garden pros, but this is also the person just getting started. Gives them a little idea of just how simple it is. I use the same containers year after year, over and over. Get a little more soil there, quite enough there. I like to bring them just kind of, just shy of the top. There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and start our first one here, which is the fry's head. Now it's important to look in the back of your seeds. The instructions that is there. I don't have my glasses, so I know pretty much what it says here. But you can plant these things about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. But also look at the dates. This basically matures in 49 dates. And of course, it depends what zone you're in when you plant. We're in the yellow zone up here. Now they're saying don't plant till spring, but I'm pushing it ahead because this will be put in the cold frame at the end of March. This next one here, which is the salad bowl, that basically is matured in about 50 days. And that's pretty much the date I go. That's not from the seeding date, that's from the time when you plant it in the ground, how I usually judge that by. When you're actually doing your transplant. Then the next one here is the little gem, which once again is kind of like a romaine lettuce, and that there is 50-55 days. So in about 3 weeks, I'll plant some more seeds, and that way I always have a continuous succession of plants coming up. I just want to plant these just sparingly, not too thick, and as they come up, I tend to thin them out, so I'll probably have about maybe 10 or 12 little lettuce plants coming up here. And then of course in a couple of weeks, we'll transplant them out. Should go ahead and put into 6-packs. They do grow a little slower this time of year. I don't use a lot of grow lights, my daughter does. And so what we sometimes do is we'll go ahead and take these guys and put them into her grow light system and get them going here. So next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this container, because I don't like watering from on top, I like watering from the bottom. So I just stick them right in here, and they just kind of sit there and soak up from the bottom. Doesn't pack everything down, makes it nice, and it'll kind of straighten itself out as it gets going here. That way the water comes up from the bottom, the dirt absorbs it, and you're not packing everything down from the top and washing the seeds away. Next one is a little gem here. And we'll go and plant these up here. So I get the package open here. Sorry about that. There we go. And once again, as you can see, I didn't plant these guys very deeply. about 1/4 inch, just enough to cover and keep them moist. I'll also probably put a little plastic over top just to keep the moisture to avoid from drying out. And as far as temperature, I just saw somebody's YouTube. They're doing. Actually got their lettuce to germinate outdoors in the winter here. They had like a little cold frame, and I was amazed at what took place there. So here we go. That's that one there. And then the next one, we'll put that in there, is going to be salad bowl. Here we are. We're also having a good time this time of year. We had a nice snowstorm today, so I've been actually enjoying myself, looking at garden catalogs, making plans for what we're going to get next year. I'm going to share that in a second to just kind of show where we're at with our ordering our seeds. You can see some of the seeds you probably saw in earlier videos. If you're just joining us now, I appreciate that. I hope you subscribe. But some earlier videos we had actually going to the local big box store and buying some of the seeds off rack. Then also do some of my specialty seeds from different plant catalogs. There's all just a little bit on top, and see if we can fit him in there. Yeah, we can. Look at that, huh? All right. So going back to my scheduling system here, I've got once again all the plants laid out. I basically checked the ones that I have in stock now. I've already gotten some. I had to, of course, get from different catalogs. But this way it keeps me organized and know exactly what I have in stock as I go ahead and order seeds from different various catalogs. Some of my favorites that I've been ordering from years and years, and I'll just show you these guys here, is Garden Trends, which is Harris Seed Catalog. I like ordering a lot of my corn, some of my peas. My favorite pea is actually Lincoln peas. I buy about ½ pound of those babies at a time. Some of the squashes and peppers, very good quality product. I like using Gardens Alive for a lot of the organic fertilizers, and then I also like using them for some of the pest controls that are organic, natural. And then gurneys, I typically like buying my asparagus, and then I hope my asparagus is better this year, working harder and giving us different nutrients throughout the year that I've learned. Of course, I do still learning. I Google things once in a while to learn what I'm doing wrong, and then also doing my strawberries from that too. So that's the latest 3 different catalogs that I ordered from. Oh, and the last thing is my garden plants. There we go. It's all filled out, ready to go. I rotated everything up pretty much, and that's all 23 raised beds that I have. And all that, we have our various, this is just the vegetable and strawberry area. And that's how that works for another year. I've actually keeping track of these since I started the first one back in 1985. And I still have them all too. It's just kind of cool to go back and look at them once in a while. A new catalog I'm working on right now, and I'm enjoying for more organic pesticides, is this company here. So we're checking out this for some new organic pest controls, more so for my fruit trees. And, so there we go. So that's planting lettuce seeds for you, and we'll check out in a couple more weeks, see how that's coming along. But I'd like to do a couple of quick shout-outs for some people who are doing a great job. There are probably some of our newer gardeners, some have been doing this for a while. And the first one would be a K&A's Family Homestead. I believe they're out in Massachusetts, and they've just started more recently getting a video, a YouTube channel up, and they've got quite a few activity. They got animals as well as the garden they're working on, so a whole family operation here. Looking forward to seeing more of their activities throughout this season, but check them out. Go ahead and check out the channel and subscribe to them, give them some support. Next would be Erica's Little Welsh Garden. I think they're over in England, somewhere up that way, by the accent, but she does a great job with all her different gardening activities and planning that she does, and great personality and enthusiasm for her love of gardening and what she does in her part of her world. And last is our Garden Obsessions. Funny thing, I just saw a video of them planting lettuce seeds directly out in the soil right now, and this would be for this time of year because they're in the Carolinas, which gives them the opportunity to enjoy some milder weather than what we're having. We're going to be 4 below tomorrow night. I think they're in their 60s when they did this video about a week ago. But anyways, the whole family loves gardening. They got a real passion for it, and the children are involved with it also. So check out their video, their channel also, sorry about that, and just go ahead and subscribe to these people. I really encourage you to take a look at what they're up to. That's it for now, and once again, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification little bell so you can get more updates as they're coming along continually as we get closer to spring. And thanks for joining us.